As we first reported Tuesday, the Senate will vote on competing plans to reduce health care costs tomorrow. Republicans and Democrats have each introduced their own proposals. CBS 42 Washington correspondent Kristen Eskow joins us live from Capitol Hill with whether either plan is expected to pass. Kristen?
Well, Sherry, at this point, it doesn't appear likely that either plan will have the 60 votes needed to advance. Both plans would require bipartisan support to get those 60 votes to get over the finish line. Democrats want to extend Affordable Care Act tax credits for 3 years, while Republicans have proposed health savings accounts as an alternative. The issue that divided lawmakers during the government shutdown is front and center Wednesday on Capitol Hill.
This vote is going to be one of the most important votes that they take in the whole term of the Senate.
On Thursday, senators will vote on separate plans meant to lower health care costs. Democrats have proposed a 3-year extension of pandemic-era tax credits for patients who receive health insurance through the Affordable Care Act marketplaces. They're set to expire at the end of the year.
We're offering a very simple proposal that would stop this catastrophe in its tracks on January 1st.
But Republicans say they aren't on board with an extension without any reforms.
A Democrat plan that will lower health care costs is a fantasy.
Instead, they've proposed health savings accounts for up to $1,500 each for people enrolled in a bronze or catastrophic ACA plan and earning less than 700% of the federal poverty level.
That would send the money directly to the enrollee, to the patient, to the consumer, and let them be in charge of purchasing the health care they want at a price they can afford.
Meanwhile, in the House, GOP leaders have announced they plan to hold a vote next week on a package of health care bills. Speaker Mike Johnson hasn't specified exactly what those bills would look like, but we do know, Sherry, they won't include an extension of those ACA subsidies.
So, Kristen, what can you tell us about that effort in the House to force a vote on those tax credits? Where does that stand?
So House Democrats are trying to force a vote on a 3-year extension of the ACA tax credits, as we are seeing Senate Democrats put up for a vote in the Senate. Now, at this point, they filed a discharge petition, and Leader Jeffries says that all House Democrats have signed on, but they do need a few Republicans to join them. So far, that hasn't happened, but they're remaining hopeful that that does happen, Sherry.
All right, that's Kristen Eskow reporting. Kristen, thank you.